देश में कोरोना स्थिति ने केंद्र स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय तरफ प्रेस मीट करा जाउची सीधा सळग आपनको नै जाउची
clearly driving the pandemic in Maharashtra? Like, what seems to be the only factor right now? So, just take the first one if you could.
Second question, Dr. Paul or Dr. Bhargav can take. Before I answer the first question, let me put two facts before you. One, till date, we have not received any specific request from the state government of Maharashtra about what you call door-to-door vaccination being permitted. Second fact, in India, for decades, we are doing universal immunization program where injectable vaccines are given for decades. And the safety, efficacy, immunogenicity of those vaccines has been established for decades. And there we have not so far ever done door-to-door vaccination. What is it that we are dealing with today? It is an adult vaccination as distinct from universal immunization program where we have decades of experience. What we are dealing with is not only adult vaccination but also a vaccination where there may be adverse events following vaccination, for which you need to keep a person under watch for 30 minutes. So these are two facts. Now coming to the actual answer of your question. What is it that all states should focus their time and energies on? Because the resources, the healthcare resources and time of a state is most valuable, most precious. So it must be concentrated on the most important thing. And what is the most important thing? The most important thing is to achieve or target near saturation vaccination in districts that are seeing large numbers of the priority age group population. So as a state or a UT, I should be asking myself the question, am I focusing all my resources, all my energies, which is valuable and precious, to achieving near saturation coverage of age priority groups in those districts which are reporting a surge? If the answer is no, then I must focus all my time and energies there.
I'm Runjhun Sharma from CNN News 18. I'd like to ask, sir, how many people would be covered in the next phase since the comorbidity clause is gone now? So people above the age of 45, and we had the target of 30 crore people. Has it gone up now?
Just one preliminary submission, then I think Dr. Paul is more equipped to answer this. Numbers are not important. What is important is that we are saying, as the union government, we are saying that vaccination is available to all citizens above 45 years of age. Whether their number is 100 or 1000 or 1 lakh or 10 lakh, how is that relevant? What is relevant is that the message must go that this entire universe represented by 45 plus people can avail of vaccination, and as Dr. Paul said, vaccine hesitancy must go, and we must, as collectors of districts, as health secretaries of state, do our micro projection within the district. मेरे यहाँ इस एज ग्रुप के कितने लोग हैं, rather than we sitting here in Delhi saying कि लगभग इतने होंगे और फिर बाद में ये पता चले कि उतने नहीं है, उससे कम है या उससे ज़्यादा है. So to that extent, numbers are not relevant.
Also remember, the whole strategy has been to identify those people who are at the highest risk of mortality. So this nation has taken a conscious call, let's protect the most vulnerable, most high risk individuals, and for them, from 1st of April, the universe that opens up takes care of almost 90% of potential mortality. It's a great goal to achieve, and the country would like to achieve. सरकार इसको जितनी जल्दी से जल्दी अचीव करना चाहेगी. वैक्सीन भी है, व्यवस्था भी है, वायदा भी है, तो इसको करके दिखाइए। अपनी तरफ से पब्लिक सेक्टर प्राइवेट सेक्टर दोनों जुड़े, उसमें गति आए, जिसका कि जिक्र हमने किया। और दूसरी तरफ ये वैक्सीन हेजिटेंसी को बाहर फेंको और जो भी एलिजिबल है आगे आए और अपना टीका लगाएं, इस काम को पूरा करें। और फिर उसके बाद और समूह हैं, अभी तो वो भी लेने ही है ना, ये तो प्रायोरिटाइज करके कराए कि इस काम को पहले पूरा करें। और जो ग्रुप्स हैं उनको भी आगे बढ़ना है। ये मुहिम तो चल रही है, लेकिन इसका बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जो हिस्सा है, सबसे महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है कि जान बचने के लिए जो वैक्सीन का प्रावधान, सप्लाई, उपलब्धता की जाए, वो सब कर दिया गया है। अब हमें इसको करके दिखाना है।
Here I'd like to add one point that